back to the Needs page on social media. This is User with you. Today I will be making a very easy, healthy, quick dessert with you. It is dates stuffed in nuts covered in chocolate. All you need is 3 simple ingredients and you will have yourself a sweet dessert to enjoy. Please keep watching. You will need some pitted dates. These are regular dates. I just took the pits out from them. You will also need some nuts. Here I have some almonds and some walnuts. And then some dark chocolate. I have melted dark chocolate here. I prefer to use dark chocolate just because the dates are very sweet. And so you need to balance the sweetness out a bit. First off, I will take my dates and then I will stuff them with the nuts that you like. If you are allergic to nuts, it's okay if you do not stuff them with anything. And then you will just close it like this. And then you will dip your dates in the chocolate. I will just make sure that it's covered all the way around. And then you can tap the excess out like that. And then you can just place it on a plate and then leave the chocolate to harden. You can also stuff your dates with peanut butter if you like, or any type of nut butter. So I'll be stuffing this one with some nut butter here. And then you can also dip it in chocolate. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed making this easy, healthy, and quick dessert with me. I hope I'll see you again very soon. Bye!